Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. Today I want to share some of my holy grail skincare items, and a few skincare related ones. These are products that if you were to be like, you have to use 5 products, only 5 for the rest of your life. Do I have 5? 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 6 products for the rest of your life. These are probably the products I would pick. Let's start off with something really simple that you see in every single video where I do my skincare, and that is these hair pad grip things. I'm starting off with these because whenever I use these, I get so many questions about them, asking what they are. They are literally just like the hook ends of Velcro that stick in your hair and keep your hair back. They are super cheap from YesStyle, like £2. You could probably just buy Velcro and put it in your hair, to be honest. But I do this for a few reasons. One, because when I wash my face, I like the hair to be out of my face, usually because it's covered in hair product. And hair styling products, for men anyway, tend to be very oil-based, depending on what ones you have. Use a lot of pre-styling products as well, heat protection, all that kind of stuff. And when that makes contact with your skin, it can break you out. I used to wear a fringe all the time. I used to have bangs all the time, and I would break out horrifically. So now I just keep my hair out of my face as much as possible, especially when I'm washing it, because I don't want all that stuff seeping onto my skin. And also, it's just nice out of your face, right? It makes me feel like I can concentrate more on whatever I'm doing. Okay, the next one is a cleanser, and it might be one that you might not expect. This is the TROIAREUKE Pit Cleansing Milk. So I spoke about this years ago, I think, on this channel now. It was when I used to live in London in a flat, and I've not talked about it since for a few reasons. One, it's difficult to get your hands on unless you're in Korea, and it's not always in stock on YesStyle. That's where I get my K-beauty from. This is why I like to use apps and Chrome extensions that let me know when certain products are back in stock, because I need to know when this comes back in stock. So of course, KRAVE's Matcha Hemp Hydrating Cleanser will always be my go-to cleanser, but there is something about this cleanser that makes the most visible instant difference on my face that no other cleanser has done before. So first of all, PIT stands for phase inversion technique. And what this means in the brand's own words is that it's like a 2-in-1 oil cleanser and water foaming cleanser. It's essentially just a really nice cleanser that removes dirt, makeup, sweat, oil, sunscreen, all that kind of stuff, all in one go, whilst keeping your skin super moisturized and just really feeling nice. But for me, it's the difference it makes on the pores on my nose that makes me think I need to constantly have this in my cupboard. They just look so clean, and I'm hopefully going to show you before and after, and hopefully you could see a difference. But I was looking at the ingredients list thinking, what is it about this cleanser that makes my pores look so small and clear? And I can't see anything, really. I'm looking at the ingredients now, and to be 100% honest, I don't know why it does this. So if anyone can look at the ingredients or the makeup of this and let me know why it does such a good job at clearing those pores and making them look so clear, not just temporarily, but for all the time you're using it, please let me know. It could just be all the emollients paired with the amount of time that you leave it on your face. You're meant to brush it on, then leave it on for about 2 to 5 minutes. This product is all about that spa professional facial experience. Maybe it's kind of like that, you know, giving that steaming effect. So then when you take it off, because it does feel warm when you put it on, then when you take it off, your skin looks softened and all the gunk has come out. I don't know, but I just love this. The next product is a toner. This is the COSRX Full Fit Propolis Synergy Toner, and basically any mist or any toner that you're able to mist on your skin. As you know, I'm a true believer in including a toner in your skincare routine, not because they're necessary in any way, simply because of how they make my skin look and feel. Modern toners, we always say modern toners, but modern toners, I feel like astringents don't exist in the majority that they used to. So when we talk about toners nowadays, let's just presume we're talking about the new modern ones that focus on hydration. They don't have those drying alcohols in. They concentrate more on key ingredients like propolis, or even some have actives in, and they blur that fine line between essences and serums nowadays. But for me, it's the look of the hydrated, dewy, plump skin that a good hydrating toner can give you, especially this one from COSRX. I don't know if they still call them skins, but because I still shop a lot of Korean beauty and I still use a lot of K-beauty skincare, skin often means toner, but it means that thicker, almost like a second skin on your face that you put it on, and it just gives you that plump, dewy, kind of instant glass looking skin. This particular toner is very, very simple. We have propolis in there, honey extract, sodium hyaluronate, panthenol, glycerin, and a few more ingredients to help soothe and hydrate your skin. It just gives you that glow from within, and again, it's that slightly thicker than water, full fat water I've always called it. But then also, I swear by misting all throughout my routine. Putting your products onto dry skin, putting your products onto wet skin just really gives your skin that dewy kind of look. It makes it feel like all your hydrating products are locked in tight, and like all those actives have been delivered into your skin. I just love it. Again, this is purely because of the way it looks. Dermatologists will tell you there's no point in having a toner. Probably not, but if we like the way it looks and the way that it feels, keep using it. And for me, my skincare isn't done if I'm not glowing, so I need this toner in my routine. Sure, there are hydrating ingredients in things like moisturizers and some serums as well, but nothing gives you that glow like a toner on damp skin does. Of course, a moisturizer is going to be included in this list, right? But here's one that's kind of like a newer one, and I didn't think I would be talking about it, to be honest. So if you ask me off the top of my head, if I had to pick a moisturizer for the rest of my life, what one would it be? I'd probably say one of the COSRX ones again, but I've been speaking about COSRX so much recently, you're probably bored. So I want to talk about one that I didn't realize I used so much, and that's actually the Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. Because as I was putting this video together, I was kind of like looking at the amount of empties I had, the amount of backstock I had, you know, products that I love, and want to make sure that once I run out, there's another one there for me to immediately open. And the Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé was surprisingly well in stock and well used as well. It's one of those moisturizers that, especially as the weather's getting kind of like, not getting cold, it's been colder, my skin's drying out more, that I've just been reaching for every single day. I've done my routine, I'm like, right, what moisturizer should I use? I need something that's going to lock in all this hydration, make my skin look nice and hydrated and dewy, and just feel good on the skin as well. And I've just been non-stop reaching for this one. It's a pretty fail-safe moisturizer for me. Now, I need to say right now, I hate the smell of banana. This is a very like, not a common occurrence, but I hate being stuck in small places with someone eating a warm banana. I hate the smell of bananas in a lunchbox. I hate the smell of like banana yogurts, you know, all that kind of like warm banana smell I absolutely hate. So when I first got this a couple of years back, sorry, I'm not very well, my voice keeps going. When I first got this a couple of years back, I was like, I'm gonna hate this. I was like, why do I want my face to smell like a warm banana? It's not. This smells like, as with all Glow Recipe products, this smells like if there was a banana flavored water. It's very, very watered down. That just disappears the moment it goes on your skin. It's very, very light, and because the fragrance is actually from the banana itself, it's not like an added sweet banana smell. It also doesn't have that fake artificial sweet banana smell to it, and it does disappear very, very quick. But with this moisturizer, you feel an instant dose of hydration the moment it hits your skin. So in here we have glycerin and aloe leaf juice, which is one of my favorite hydrating ingredients. We also have sodium hyaluronate as well, but this also contains squalane to help trap everything in, and all this is in such a super light formulation that just glides over the skin and leaves your skin looking plump and dewy and glowing. I absolutely love it. And again, it's just one of those moisturizers that I've not thought about, you know, loving, but I just seem to be reaching for it all the time for a year now. Sunscreen, a holy grail list. Wouldn't be a holy grail list without a sunscreen. Of course, my favorite sunscreen of all time is a KRAVE Beauty The Beat Shield. I feel like we've all been a bit heartbroken by sunscreens this year, but I have so much faith and trust in KRAVE Beauty and Heyyyyyy as a brand owner. They've been very open about their sunscreen test results, so this is a sunscreen that works. This is probably the best sunscreen I've ever used, and it really is as simple as that. It's lightweight, it doesn't sting my face, it doesn't sting my eyes, it's super easy to reapply, and I can apply it through my facial hair as well without it clumping up and pilling and, you know, just getting like white lines everywhere. This is a broad spectrum chemical sunscreen that just sits beautifully on the skin, and a lot of people always see alcohol at like the top of the ingredient list in a lot of sunscreens and get worried about it. It's not going to dry you down down too much. I do find that some Japanese sunscreens can be quite drying, but in here we have so many nice moisturizing ingredients kind of counteracting any potential dryness. We also have allantoin, which is lovely and soothing and skin protecting, as well as vitamin C, so you get your dose of antioxidants as well. My one complaint is that I just want it in a big, like I want it in something like this, like a huge squeezy, you know, bottle. I just want it. I will pay whatever to have it in a pump, you know. Let's talk about lip balm as my final holy grail product. I don't care which one. Listen, they're all the same. All I do is use that hydrating method of keeping my lips damp, then applying a lip balm over the top of it, a moisturizer and then a lip balm to actually deliver some hydration and moisture to your lips. Again, personal favorite is the Glow Recipe one. I love the Cosmetics clear quartz cushion. The clear quartz cushion has like glycerin and has squalane in it as well. A plain tub of petroleum jelly, whatever. Just I need something on my lips. If they feel dry, I can't live for the day. I absolutely hate it. I'm sorry if that was rushed. I'm not feeling very well. I'm not feeling well at all, so I kind of zoomed through that one, but let me know some of your holy grail products in the comments down below. It could be specific brands, it could be product types, just let me know and I want to check them out. You can check out more videos here and a few nice videos here as well. Either one, they're both entertaining, and I'll see you over there.